Packages are a powerful tool in Unity. With just a few clicks, you can import them and instantly expand your project with new scripts, assets, and functionality. But have you ever thought, what if I could create my own packages? Imagine having reusable code that you can update and manage easily through Unity's package manager. Well, that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. Together, we will walk through the process of creating your very own Unity package. Let's dive in and start creating. First, let's create a new project for our packages. I have a known Unity project where I have all my packages and where I update and manage them. In the assets folder of this project, we can create a folder called packages. In this folder, we will create a new folder whenever we want to create a new package. Let's create a folder and give it the name of our package. You can use whatever name you want. I will use Core Tools. That's a good name for me, but use whatever name you want. Now this folder is our package. Everything that is inside this folder will be in your package. Inside of this folder, we have to create a specific folder structure. This is the setup that is recommended by Unity. Inside the package folder, we have the package.json file. This is mandatory. Without this file, your package will not be shown in the package manager later. For scripts, materials, and other runtime assets, we have the runtime folder. For editor extensions and scripts, we have an editor folder. At the moment, we just need the package.json and the runtime folder. We create package.json in our code editor. It has to look like this. The name is the technical name of the package. It looks like an inverse URL. Then we have a version. The name and the version are mandatory. We also should add a few other things here that are optional but not unimportant. The display name will be shown in the package manager as your package's name. The description will be the description in the package manager. You also can add a Unity version requirement and an outer name. The package.json is done. But the package itself is still pretty empty. We don't have anything in it. As an example, we will create a script, the Audio Manager script. We locate it in the scripts folder, which will be inside the runtime folder. The script itself will be simple as it's just for demo purpose. It will have the method playSound, and this method will just have a debug log playSound. For our package to work, we also need an assembly definition file. It is easy to create. You right-click inside the runtime folder and go to Create, Scripting, Assembly Definition. The naming convention is your company, so in this case the code author for me, dot package name, so Core Tools. In the assembly definition you have a few settings, but those are not important for the moment. Cool. The first version of our package is ready now. Let's export it. But how to do that? Actually, you don't have to export anything. The package is done. You don't believe me? Let me show you how to use it in your other projects. But first, a quick note to my viewers. Many people have commented that they would like to see a TCG tutorial series. I'm not sure if I will make it more generic or as a Slay the Spire clone, but I work on this. Such a series takes time, of course, for planning and creating, so be patient and subscribe for updates. But back to the package tutorial. Let's open another project where we want to use our new package. I have created another project for this. Now let's go to the package manager. Here in the upper left corner we have this plus icon. We click it and select Install Package from Disk. We then go to the project folder of our packages project. Here we go into the assets folder. Important note, don't go into this package folder here. Those are the imported packages and not our own that we just have created. In the assets folder we go into packages, Core Tools and Open Package.json. Unity will now import our package and you can see that it is in the package manager for this project. Our name, our version, everything like configured. Now we can use content of the package here. We can add our audio manager. That's perfect. But what if you want to update your package? This is simple. Just go to your packages Unity project and edit the package there. We, for example, can change the Audio Manager script or add a material to the package. In the package.json file, we have to change the version to something higher, like 101. When you now go back to your project where you have used this package, Unity will update it automatically. You can now see that the Audio Manager was updated and that we can now also use our new material. In the Package Manager, you also can see that the version was updated. Great! Now you know how to create, use and update your own packages. In some future videos, I will show you some cool reusable scripts that we can add to our package. This way, we will grow the package into a tool library that we can use across all our projects. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. It helps me a lot. Thank you and see you next time.